All right, we are going to use a song from Quaver SEL, which I sent login information a few weeks ago. If you have forgotten your personal login information, you can actually use mine, and I'll pull this up onto the screen. So here it is. You can pause the video if you need to scratch this down. Once you have logged in, either under your own login information that you created a few weeks ago or using this login information, you'll get to this screen. You can go ahead and click on SEL Music right in the middle of the screen. It will take you to a screen that has a playlist of songs. You should scroll down until you find Keep Things Organized. Right here. It's called Keep Things Organized. You can click on that. When you do, a lyrics video will pop up underneath it. You can click on that. And push play.
Trays, drawers, shelves, and backpacks. Help us keep things organized. Come on. Trays, drawers, shelves, and backpacks. Help us keep things organized. Let's get it. Every day we'll put away. Go class, go. Let's keep things tidy. Trays, drawers, shelves, and backpacks. Help us keep things organized. Trays, drawers, shelves, and backpacks. Help us keep things organized. Every day we'll put away. Go class, go. Let's keep things tidy.